Alright guys, quick update. I am moved in. We're still moving in, but for the most part, I got all my stuff moved in. Just gotta keep unpacking and getting everything put where it needs to go. See the view from the balcony real quick. You can see the whole city. Got some plants already. I'm waiting for my bed to arrive because I had to order a new bed because the one I had was too big. So that will be here in a few days. We're getting ready to go on a yacht. So I'm gonna get up out of here in about 30 minutes. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update.